Monday, February 3rd, 7:39 p.m. Eastern. Good evening, everybody. Another quick video from superareas.com. Anything we post here on our channel is just for educational, entertainment, and informational purposes only. This is not financial advice. You are responsible for your own profits and losses. All right. So to continuation of Bulenox, as you guys saw in my previous video, that if I log into my Bulenox account right here, as you see, what has happened is now I bought 11 accounts. So just to kind of give you a Bulenox episode 1. So if you log in approximately 11 accounts. So this is how it happened. I bought them on January 2nd, sorry. So January 2nd, I bought them. And then I managed to complete, I sent them the report that I passed closer, but they didn't get back to me until today. So today they replied 8 hours ago this morning. But so my renewal date kind of came on a weekend, and I managed to do $3,000 on every account. So I bought 11 accounts. If you see, let's look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And back earlier, I was testing their number 1 account. Anyway, these 11 accounts I bought, so they got renewed, which is okay. It was only $16 for renewal, and now they sent me this agreement. All right, so Rafa, you're ready to go into a master account. Then there are some restrictions. Of course, certificate came for all of them, and of course, out of 11, I had a little bit I had left on these accounts, account number 9, account number 11, and 12. And if I look at today, yes, this one I traded today. I made $112 and I'm done this. Then I traded 11th account and I'm finished this, even though 196 extra. Didn't trade anything today, but this account is passed as well. And then 12th. This one I had to make a little bit extra as per the last video. So I made $325 and I'm done. So this is my report for these accounts. This one I traded 15 days. The rest of the accounts were done in 14 days. So I read the whole, their help desk and everything, and you're allowed, you can have 11 PA ready, but you're gonna have to pay continuous monthly fee, I guess, for these, but I can only have 3 master accounts so if I blow them, so either I have to cancel them, or it says pending, all of these. So I don't know if these my subscriptions will continue. I'll find out. But what I do know is, so they sent me for master accounts, all these certificates that you have passed and so on and so forth. And what are the agreements? Of course, if I log in, this is the agreement of the master account. Let's go over it. Some quick thing. So, of course, everything is good. So, maximums, of course, in that 50,000 account, I'm allowed 7 contracts. So, that's point number 1, which is okay. Allowed products, I'm okay. I can do 7 micros or 70 micros or 7 minis. What else? The risk parameter stays the same. It is a live trailing threshold. So they call it analyst. Apex calls it contractor. And it says the moment I get to $2,600, my trailing drawdown stops and becomes like end of day, things like that. So all these headaches of live trailing threshold finishes at $2,600. So that's number 2. So 7 contracts, which I don't care. Of course, you have to close at 4 p.m. Central, which will make it 5 p.m. Eastern. What else? Trade allowed products. I'm not looking at anything. Personal ID is fine. Nobody else is trading my account, which is good. So maximum allowed products, risk parameters, trailing drawdown, which is okay. I don't have end of day. I have the live trailing option. So if you look at, I believe my account is live trailing, which is option 1, live trailing. So There you go. Next bill is this until I pay 451. And all right, let's go back to the agreement. So I have to make 2,600 daily loss limit. Now they have introduced this, which is kind of cool. So on a $50,000 account. So let's open up let's open up Notepad. Sorry. So Notepad number 1. Let me open the font. Let's make it slightly bigger. So let's make it 20. All right. So number 1. So I need to make, of course, it's a let me write it down. So if it's a 50K account, paying $148 USD lifetime. So no monthly. Okay. I need to make 2,600. So live trailing threshold. That does not change since the account I picked was the live trailing because it was cheaper. Need to make $1,600. Now we have a daily loss limit in my account. So DLL, I cannot, sometime, the price now I had 2,500, and if I saw maybe things to go a little bit in loss, and I would make it a second lot maybe, and then average it at a certain price point. And now I have an $1,100. So they are saying you can only lose $1,100 in a single day, not a single trade. Unlike Apex, it's a single day. So account would be suspended. So this is what I'm focused. Performance is consistency, 40%. So let's look at that. So 30, point number 3, 40% consistency. So my 40% consistency. So max, whatever the balance, I can't make more than 40%, which is really good. Apex and Legends is 30%. So daily P&L, which is fine. I have to trade one trade, so must trade at least once a week. Okay, that's good, no problem. And it will be, if I don't trade for 5 days, I will my account will get suspended. All right, no problem. And any remaining balance, so please do not leave this account unattended altogether. Bulenox is not that's fine. Accounts fees, I will pay $148. I already know. Trading fees, there's no trading fees because I use RTrader and I use Ninja. So let's look at Ninja because they're connected. So connections, Rithmic I use, which is fine. All right, no problem. What else? Unsupported I'm not using. No API. I'm not using any of that. Algorithmic trading, which is fine. I'm not using any scalping method. We use areas and we look at how high or low the market goes, and we trade based on levels and mid band and things like that. Nothing is done automated. I've done every single trade myself. Yes, Wire, PayPal, I can take that. Okay. All right. So PayPal will pay 100% up until first 10,000. All right, no problem. So they will pay me $1,500 per account. So when I make 2,600, they can release $1,500. After the third payout, there's no maximum limit, which is good. So must have a safety threshold, of course. So I need to get to 2,600. If I got to 2,600, let's see, so need to, which is okay, 2,600, so I will get remaining there. All right, subject to provisions, that's good. If we achieved 20%, that I will worry about later. Multiple accounts, this is where it gets interesting. It says you can have 11 accounts total on approval and 3 master accounts. So any given time, manually removed, okay, multiple accounts to be not, so I cannot make a larger account. Okay, positions on all master accounts executed. All right, I can't do hedging, which is okay. One username is okay. Status is a third-party agreement, so W8 Ben I need. And that's it. So I've done the agreement, partnership, no joint severability, the swine waiver, consent. All right, I have agreed my first name, last name, initial, address, and I will put in, and I will do a sign here, and I will submit that. All right, so I've done that on all these accounts, and now I've gotten my certificate. There you go, congratulations. Got on Bulenox, I passed. I have quite a few, all these to hang. Anyway, so this, I did this in 14 days, the 3,000, and I have a copier put together for, so the copier, as everybody knows, I use is the Flowbot, and then I will use something for, so this one I would make it leader account, and then the follower account. Sometime I do MES, some ES, things like that, some MNQ. All right, so this is that email. Now going to here, let's complete the payment. So first payment of 148. Let's do this. All right, agreement is done. Master account agreement, and done. So that's paid. Account 51, 52, 53, 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 account, and 3 are, I just completed them today. So let's do account number 2, 138 US. Let's do continue. And that's done, and access to, which is good. And let's complete the third payment and pay. All right, that's done. So let's go to, now we have this button called payout request. That's good. So payout request, there are fewer days, so it won't let me take out withdrawal forms. Let's do non-US trade withdrawal information. All right, so I will upload, all right, name. So I will do the information on how to withdraw. Okay, that I'll do later. And let's go back and log in again. And of course, I will do the, yeah, this I gotta do, so they're not withholding the tax. All right, I'll do that later. First, let's get to the payments. Qualification request is done. That's good. Now these are pending. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are pending. 3 are master. So that's 8, and 3 more are coming into my, in terms of their pass. So I don't know. Will they charge me the 1575 for these remaining? I have no idea. But we'll figure out how their billing works. Payment history. Of course, today I paid 148, 148, 148. 3 accounts, master account, data and maintenance. And it's lifetime. You don't have to pay more. All right, this is my history so far for them. So let's do a bit of a math. So how much I've given them? So 1575 times 11 plus 173.25. 346 plus 148 plus 148 plus 148. So far I've given them $790, so 3 PA fees, and twice I paid 15, so $790. If I got one payout, $1,500 minus 800, I'll still come out winner in this prop form. All I gotta do is just get one payout out of these 3, and that would be a good winning position. If I got 3 payouts, that's $4,500. That's looking good. So my target now is, now I just gotta see if these fees are going to continue. That I'm not sure. It's first time I'm doing Bulenox, and because it was such a great sale, I'm not sure what would happen to my remaining things. So as you see, the 3 that I passed today, I did the 9, account number 12, and account number 11. So let's go back. This is the agreement. Agreement's really standard like Apex, but the good thing is I don't have to make more money, or I don't have, so compared to Apex, let's look at comparison. Is there a daily limit? 40%, but I don't have to make a minimum. Let me look at minimum. Search minimum. 44s. Okay, I can withdraw. Minimum is 1,000. What else is there a minimum? No. So the good thing is, good things to note down. Number one, no minimum per day. That's really good. Per day amount in dollar wise. Of course, max 40% of my total profits. Is there how many days? How many days I gotta keep trade to get my? That could be close in 20%. So I can. How many days I have to trade? I have to account an activity, but I just gotta check. Is flipping is only 20%, so I can get to as 2,600 basically, but I don't plan to do it. My goal again is let's take 2,600 and let's put it maybe $150 a day. So about 17 to 20 days I'll do, and I won't go more than. So 40 divided by 2,600 times 100. So yeah, so how much is that? So if I make 200, no, the issue is let's work this out. So I will do if I make $250 in max in a day, or even $300, 300 divided by 2,600 times 100. So 300 divided by, easier way, 2,600, 40%. So I gotta keep it below $1,000. That's good. Do not make more than $1,000 per day. That's good enough, 40%. So 2,600 divided by 2 would be 1,300, and so no minimum per day. Must trade once a week. That's good. Good things to know. And payout, I just gotta check the payout date. Hello? मैंने और नहीं कुछ लेना यार. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. नहीं, मैंने नहीं खाना यार. नहीं, मैंने नहीं ज़ाय करना. वो 2 बजे. हाँ जी, एक खाम और एक साथ. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. नो आइस डाइट. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. How's their payout? Let me search payout date. So your trading will be, I gotta see, withdraw. Help desk, how many requests? Oh, 10 days. All right, I got this. So 10 trading days. Must trade for at least 10 days. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, payout. Trading day will be counted from there. Second, third day would be good. Bulenox will pay 100%. That's good. So I can, the moment I complete my 10 trading days, is there a minimum? I gotta still do minimum, because with micro and Q it's much easier. Apex wants you to make like $50 minimum. Legend wants you to make 100 minimum. Is there any minimum here? Minimum. Let's search for trading day. Trading day, flipping out of. So what they're saying is you must trade 8 days out of those 10 days, and 2 days can be flipping because 20%. So I can flip. Good thing. Can flip for 2 days out of 10. Good. So even a $1 trade is. Okay, as per, I read this, best day can be updated, okay, which is 40%. Let's look for flipping 20%. Any trades, flips, okay, count activity, must trade. Okay, we'll go in and put a trade, but trading this. 10 individuals or more, 10 plus, so it doesn't have to be minimum, so at least 10 plus. All right, so I'm just trying to figure out if there is a minimum I gotta make. Bulenox will not pay or pay 100%. Good. 1 2 3 revert. So minimum withdrawal. So third payout, there's no maximum. I can get everything out of my third payout, much over initial balance. So I gotta make $2,600 after the 140. Analyzed and shell account that received the SIMs 100% in the safety net after 140 days. So 140 divided by 30, almost after 4.5 months I'll get everything back. Under use, good. I can't do hedge, so no hedging allowed. That's 100%. That's good. So of course that I gotta do. So must close trades by, let's do 4:30 p.m. Eastern. And number 7, we can do no hedging allowed. All right, need to make 2,600, and then I will get, when completed, the target will get paid 1,500 per account as long as below 40%. Okay, there you go. Good things to note down. Only crappy part is this daily loss limit, because sometimes when you're in a trade, you want a dollar cost average. Of course, you can do DCA is okay. And 10th, of course, Ninja with RTrader Pro. Actually, now I'm thinking of buying their second login, because since it's a PA account, so let's go buy a second login, and it's second login sessions for which market? Market depth. I don't care about depth data. I can get that from a different company for free of cost. I think another company gives this. So all for market, this is crazy. I don't need depth of market. 1 month, $41. I don't. Let's do the second login for 30, so it will be good until so let's do a cost analysis too. So second login done. So $35 paid. Okay, let me add this so far, so I know my logs when I have to enter that how much I've paid them. All right, Bulenox ledger. All right, so I can Excel this and put in my total. Second login is 35. So what are we up to so far? 148 times 3, 444. So calcs. 148 times 3, 444 for master accounts. So February 2nd login, 35. Then I paid 1575 times 11 times 2. So 1575 times 11 times 2 for 2011 EA apprentice accounts for 2 months, Jan 2nd 2025 to March 2nd, March 1st 2025. All right, and of course 35 I will pay per month for a second login, so I can open RTrader at the same time. Let's double check if that went through. Right now I'm connected. Disconnect here. Let's do Bulenox. All right, let's skip these settings. Okay, let me open up the way I like to open my settings. Is which one I like it? All right, this is good. So I have this. These 3 are going into the reserve account, of course. So okay, so what is my active threshold? Is 47,500. Okay, so 151 shows up here. 151. Okay, I don't need this window, but I'll use it for top step or okay. So now I'm connected here. Everything looks good. And let's do connection and Bulenox. See, it says you've been locked out. Another program is using that. I don't like, because I've just paid them. See here, it got disconnected on my Ninja. Guys, maybe it's good here. Let's connect here, and it says locked out. So I need to do this, so I can do this either on my phone or RTrader, because trust me, when you log in, and then let's say if I'm in a trade, I'm in a problem, my Ninja crashes or whatever happens for a reason, I can actually go here and I can, where's my one window I'm missing? I didn't save, so let me save my template. Now let's pick up this. All right, so if is a situation like this, I can right click and I can go working orders or everything else, and I can get rid of this view positions and so on and so forth. So all right, so there you go, exit position, nothing is open. Can I do them all? I think so, yeah. So right click and it will get rid of all 6 accounts. Okay, so I must need a second login, so I hope by now, I think their billing has gone through. My Apex. Hey, there you go, it hasn't crashed. Perfect. Now I'm logged in here, and let's put a trade here with the prices. 6046, everything is red. So if I put a trade on MNQ, what is MNQ right now? NQ is at 530, so pick an account. Let's say master account 1 lot. It's not a Z4, MNQ H5.CME. All right, so let's sell on a market. Cannot be 1, of course. So I sold it here. So I sold here, which is good. In my position, I am connected. And let's do a TP here. So I'm in Q, macros. Just wanted to double check both are okay. There you go, $10. And let's exit. There you go, profitable trade. Sell limit, buy stop. And I will exit here, $14. So I can close here. All right, close. 1650, $18. Close, and cancel out. All right, made $18 first day. Congratulations. All right, so $17 in my threshold. Let's go and take a look if I lost anything. So live trade, as you guys saw, because everything is going down. Arrow is down on my 60 minutes. It's coming from expected high, so it should go as high as low as at least 452. All right, so this, you guys get to see a live trade too. Let's close this. So this should not affect my trade here. So on this account, did I make 51? It's not updated yet, but let me just want to make sure. So $19, and with of course $17. So what is, so 50,017 minus 47. How do you check your threshold, guys? By the way, in RTrader, account balance minus auto liquidate. So let's come back here. So how to check your threshold? So open RTrader. By the way, when you open RTrader, you will get disconnected from Ninja unless you have subscribed of second login. Now, same thing with the Apex. I think who does Bulenox does live trailing threshold with Rithmic, and so these are the Rithmic guys. This is a Rithmic problem. Apex Legends gives you a live, Trader Weights and others. So Trader Weight, this is free, slightly expensive. So, and then daytraders.com, of course. So I don't care about this. So in my PA master account right now, so account balance is What's the account balance that I did? Account balance $50,017. So 50,000 minus, of course, 47,518. So 47,518. So 24.99. So I lost a buck. It's okay. So that's your available threshold or draw down, whatever you want to call it. All right. So any given time, so account balance equals account. Sorry, I should write it this way. Available. Sorry, my Rithmic is kind of horrible right now. So available threshold or drawdown equals this account, which is, so let's do it in pseudocode as we write it, just like the computer programming. So available threshold is account balance. So that's the word. So logic is minus what? Account balance minus, the column is auto liquidate threshold. Auto liquidate let's do this threshold equals, yeah, it is equal. So right now my account balance mod auto liquid is, the number would come as 24.99. So this is this value where your math is 24.99. All right, so this gave you, so open RTrader, and since I have dual logins, I don't have to worry so much. And I made accounts. Where's accounts? Doesn't show here. I'm disconnected. And there you go. So this account I made $18.50. How much commission got charged? Let's see. Is there commissions thing? There is a commission field. Let me double check if I can add a column on commissions. Is there a commission column? Total commission default. Let's see. Price is still going. I could have held it until 449, but it's live trailing threshold. So let's do commissions. Total commission $1. All right, I think that's pretty reasonable. So if it's $1, that's fine. So no problem. We'll buy it here. So we can do a buy limit at when the price hits there, it will buy, and then because that's a good support coming from expected high, reasonable, and that's coming. Where is ES? ES support is at mid-band 60 minutes, so 6039. So I'll switch it to MES. So MES, and if the price comes here, we'll buy. I can do mixed market, but I can't do hedge. So 51, let's do MES buy here, and I'll put my stop loss at ES will get there faster. So what's the math here? 515, and the mid band is at 452. So what's the math? Quickly showing I need a math calculator. 515 minus 452. Oh man, mind is not working. So 63 divided by 7. So I need to have a 9 points gap on ES. All right. So 52, do I have a 9-point gap? Because that is 63 points. I don't have a 9, do I have 641 minus 38? So let me look at the midband here. What is my midband? Put it 41 minus 7, 34. 34 would be a good reasonable, but that hits. Let's do it's okay. It's 32, 34. That would be the value area. So let's put it at 34. 35 is okay. Where's my value area? Value area is sitting at 34. Okay. There you go. So we'll pick up my Nasdaq at what's the price? It will pick it up at 450 at a long trade, and it will pick up my ES at the value area of 7 points. So 642 minus 9, 33. So I put it at 35, which is okay. And MNQ at 450, 511 minus 452, 59 divided by 7, 8 point. Yeah, it's okay. We'll see how it goes. All right, so let's go back. And in case it goes here, 1 MNQ. So let's do right here. It will get tested. Where's my PP? PP is down here. So let's do another buy here if it goes here. And I will do another buy here at R2. All right, that will put me, so one at 449 plus 350, so almost 100. So it'll put me somewhere around 400 for 2 lots, and in here it will put me somewhere, so 6035 plus 6009 divided by 2, so somewhere around 23 area I should be able to exit. But so these are my limit orders. And third, if it does happen, because I have micros, third I will put it here, buy limit, and I will go a buy limit to here. That should be okay. So now I have 3 micro Nasdaq. My order is at 50, 350, 270. That'll put me in 3 micro Nasdaq, which is $246. $1,100 is my maximum daily loss limit. So that's $6. So what would be my average? If it goes down to 21,550 plus second lot 21,350 plus 21,270, it'll put me divided by 3 somewhere around 21,390 area. This is a bit too close, so somewhere around here it will put me. It's okay to the bottom of this candle. So break even would be 390, but it's my average here. So 6035 plus 6009 plus 5989 divided by 3, it will put me around 6011, very close to the bottom of this range. Okay, I think I am good for my orders even overnight. It's fine. But what if happens is all of these fall and then I'm still losing money beyond it, that I'll put a stop loss later. So if this order gets picked up, this order gets picked up, this order gets picked up, and it goes below, so 6011. So I will check at which level 60. So here my MES is going to become, as you guys see, I'm not doing a copier on a single account for now, because in the day I can do a copier and get it done much easier. So 6035, what do I want to do? What would be my maximum stop loss? So I don't want to lose more than $1,100. Now I'm doing 2 instruments. So one instrument is $4 and one $6, 246. Another instrument is $15, 5, 10, 15. So 15 plus 6 will make it at $21 per point. Because Nasdaq moves, then Nasdaq moves 100 points divided by 7. ES will move 14 points, approximately. So that would put me in, if I were to take a loss, equally 1,100 divided by 2, 550 on ES. So 550 divided by 246. So I cannot lose more than 100 points on Nasdaq. So if on 3 lots. So if my average is 3, so 21,450 plus 21,450 plus 21,350 plus 21,270 divided by 3, that was 356. So give me 1 second, double check. 21,450 plus 21,350 plus 21,270 divided by 3. I'll put it at around here. So if this price goes below minus 100 points, so 21,256. So I will put my stop loss on 3 lots somewhere around 21. Let me check the size of this candle. So 441 to 113. So 441 minus 113, that's a 328 divided by 2, 164. So 164. So 21. What's the size of this candle? So 450 minus 168. That's 282. So okay. 282. So let me put my stop loss somewhere around 200. So let's do a, if it goes here, I would like to buy all three of them, not buy, this is called a stop loss. So 21,200 would be a reasonable 3 lots. So sell stop. All right, this is my stop loss on 3 orders. But let's say if I'm in a profit, where would I want to exit? I would like to exit, but price, I'll figure that out. This, I can quickly double check that later. So this is my planning for this trade for overnight. Buy one here, buy one here, buy one here, and buy one here. 3 stop loss, and I'll figure out if the price is moving up profit this way. Only problem is it is a live threshold. So if they do get picked up, I gotta put in my so if one got picked up, goes back up, second got, so with this it's a little bit tricky to do with Bulenox, but I'll figure out. It shouldn't happen overnight, but hey, at least I'm protected if it does happen. Let's plan this trade out. So 635, so 6035 plus 6009 plus 5989. That's divided by 3. It will put me on 611. I don't want to lose more than 550 in this. Divided by $15 per micro, 35 points. So 35 points, I'm going to put a stop loss from where? The average, 6035 plus 6009 plus 5990 divided by 3. So 6011 minus 35 points. So 5976. So somewhere below the value area, if it touches, I will put my stop loss, sell stop here. All right, so this is done, all executed. I'll worry about this later. Even if I close my Ninja, I just want to double check one thing, if my orders are being actually worked here. So let's pick a different account. Let's say account number, this one I'm doing is 51. Let's go to 52 and let's put a 3 buy limit here, buy 3. And now do I have any working orders here? So let's look at trader dashboard. I will have a file and I will have my recent orders. Yes, so trigger pending, stop loss, everything is good. Let's look at my account number. So 152. All right, so if I cancel here, this order should disappear since I have dual login. So 152 is 6017. It tells me, yeah, 60717. That's my everything is ID, exchange ID. And that's why you guys are important. Just make sure that nobody's sharing your account. Every single detail goes to the server. So they're not stupid, guys. All right, right click. I would like to cancel order, and it should eliminate my Ninja order. Good, perfect. That's my dual login is working. Let me put it one more time. Let's put it limit order got lifted up. Good. And let me disconnect Ninja, because some have people say, oh, disconnect, like look at this order 1152 buy 3 at 6012. I'm going to disconnect, and oh, you have 9 active orders. Yes, I want to disconnect. Look, my order is still there, even though Ninja is not connected, even though I'm not connected to Bulenox. But remember, this order is still there. So in case my Ninja shuts down, let's shut it down. All right, good. Ninja is not working and my orders are there. Some people say I wake up, and so you have to make sure you go into Rithmic or Trade of 8 and kill those orders. So I go right here, my positions. Do I have any active position? No, it's been closed. And I can filter and say, just show me the active positions that are already filled, that hide flat position. So I don't have an active position. These are my order windows. This is my depth of market trader performance. I can reopen it to refresh it. There you go. That's my all the accounts. So let's look at performance. It shows, okay, I made this money today. It's not reflecting the $150, $118 yet. Maybe we'll update it. Let's do account trade date. Today is third, so it'll show up in tomorrow. Let's see, 4th. There you go, $18, because tonight the current session is after 6 p.m. This is 7:24. My server is in Chicago, so now it's showing up as tomorrow, because this trade will get executed. It will get accepted as tomorrow. It will. I don't think even it's going to show up on their website right now that fast. I would be surprised if it does. Dashboard, and let's look at profile and reports on 11. Not yet. It will update 11/25. So this doesn't get updated. So auto liquidate value is this. I gotta get to 2600. Consistency rule is 40%. Good. So 53, 52, and 51. So this week I've traded so Tuesday got added. So out of 5 days I've traded account number this, and so anyway, I'll figure out a plan to do this, but at least my second login works, and I can log into my phone, and there you go, guys. This is a full my own personal review on Bulenox, how things, what you have to do, what you don't have to do, and I still don't have let me double check if I got an email. No, only I got the payment emails that I paid, the 3 emails right here, and Bulenox account. Yeah, that's good. Okay, good. There you go, guys. Looks good. All right. So enjoy, and I'll keep you guys posted on how these accounts go. And hopefully I keep my discipline even after 20 years of trading and 4 years of futures. Every day is a brand new day. I can still mess it up if I don't hold my cool, or if I get excited, or I get anything. And of course, I think you can use this for Quant Tower as well. So let's connect back in. And let me close these orders on the one I just put in. So order book. And that's the order book. I don't care about orders. Recent orders. This one, which is 6012, cancel order. All right. So I planned my trades, everything, whether it's a mid-band area trade, gap trade. You can't just not plan a trade, guys. So paid $1 on commission, and my threshold went down by $1. State alert is good. Everything looks good. So, all right, and okay, we went down to, and now let's come, because I went back to MNQ. That's my default templates. So chart trader on, and of course we will switch to MNQ. All right, let's connect here and do my accounts. There you go. Everything looks good. My orders are there. This is there. This is there. Good. Okay. We'll see how it goes. Setting one here. Nothing on here. This. And all right, guys. Take care. Enjoy. And I'll post this video on our YouTube channel right now.